Why does your scanner show the P013E engine code? What does it mean? P013E is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor delayed response, rich to lean, bank 1 sensor 2. This error code indicates your vehicle's engine computer, PCM or ECM, has detected that the downstream oxygen sensor is lagging and not switching between rich and lean states as quickly as it should. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring or connector issues. Exhaust leaks. Leaking or faulty fuel injectors. Failed or failing oxygen sensor. Vacuum or engine air leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Nissan, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.